In today's video, we'll be exploring one of the perfect natural remedies from North America and Canada that is called balsamic fir. Welcome to Mario Lab, your source for natural remedies, healing herbs and traditional knowledge backed by modern science. In today's video, we'll explore one of the most underestimated healing tree of North America, balsamic fir, also known as Christmas tree or Canadian balsam. You'll learn in today's video what balsam fir is and where it grows, the powerful health benefits hidden in its bark, resin and needles, how to use for the lung problems, pain relief, immune and more, traditional recipes and the dosage, precautions, side effects and how to use safely. So let's begin our journey into the forest and discover the healing secrets of balsamic fir. Balsamic fir is also one of the plants that I was describing in my second book, Natural Remedies Part 1. What is balsamic fir? Balsamic fir, or Abies balsamea, is an evergreen coniferous tree from the pine family. It typically grows between 14 to 20 meters tall and has narrow, pyramid-shaped crown made of dense, dark green needles. Native to North America, this tree thrives in the boreal forest of Canada and the northeastern United States. What makes balsam fir special is its resin, an aromatic substance stored in the blisters of the bark, which has been treasured for the centuries for its healing and protective properties. Its Latin name Abies balsamea literally reflects its strong balsamic scent and the resin content. The tree is commonly known as the Christmas tree for its classic shape and fragrant needles, but its use goes far beyond decoration. Native American tribes use it for the healing, protection, and even spiritual rituals. As I said many times before, this plant is known for the hundreds of years. Right now, we have unbelievably many information backed by science. What are the health benefits of this perfect plant? Natural habitat and history. Balsam fir is native to cool, moist forests of Canada, from Labrador to Alberta, and stretches into northern United States. It grows up to elevation of 1,600 meters, preferring shaded or semi-shaded environments with moist clay-based soil. It's highly resistant to frost and can live up to 200 years. It was first introduced in Europe in the late 17th century and has since become a popular ornament and medicinal plant worldwide. What are the chemical composition? The healing power of balsamic fir lies in rich composition including resins and essential oils. Terpenes are anti-inflammatory compounds, vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium and the iron. Those components work together to provide antiseptic, antioxidants, and pain-relieving effects. So what are the health benefits of using balsamic fir? There are many of them. One of the best is going to be perfect natural remedies for our upper respiratory tract. This is unbelievably important for everyone who suffers from sinusitis, lung problems, regular cough, and similar kind of condition. Here, where the balsamic fir truly shines, for thousands of years, indigenous people use its bark, resin, and needles to treat a wide range of health issues. Let's break down the key health benefits. This plant is used for pain and inflammatory relief. Its resin can be applied topically for sore muscles, arthritis, joint pain, and even burns. It has analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties that offer natural relief without pharmaceuticals. This plant boosts immunity. Rich in vitamin C and volatile compounds, balsamic fir strengthens the immune system. helping the body fight off viral and bacterial infections. Also, this is digestive aid. Used as a tea or a syrup, it soothes the digestive tract, relieves bloating, and helps treat constipation, diarrhea, and infections of urinary tract. This plant is one of the very well-known plants that can help you quit smoking. For everyone who's smoking, this is unbelievably unhealthy, but science suggested that if you use balsamic fir, you will be easily quit smoking. Also, this is one of the perfect plant for everyone who suffers from skin conditions. If you have any kind of conditions, from the warts to eczema, dermatitis, psoriasis, any kind of similar skin conditions, you can get better just using balsamic fir. Also, this is mild diuretic. By removing excess fluids, it supports kidney functions and reduces swelling. Also have anti-cancer properties. Though more research is needed, balsamic fir has a long-standing use in folk medicine as a complementary aid in cancer treatments, particularly in the form of balms and tinctures. And this is in the short what you need to know about health benefits on using balsamic fir. Let's dive in how to use balsamic fir. This is traditional recipes and the usage. Here are a few trusted ways to prepare balsamic fir at home for different health conditions. For cough and sore throat, this is balsam bark syrup. Boil 1 small tablespoon of balsamic fir bark in a cup of water for 15 to 20 minutes. Strain and drink half of the cup twice daily. For toothache, apply the raw resin directly on the painful tooth for temporary relief. For warts and skin abscesses, apply pearl resin to the affected area. Cover with bandage overnight. Repeat once or twice daily until healed. For urinary infections, boil 1 tablespoon of inner bark in a cup of water for 5 minutes. Drink 2 to 3 cups daily before meals. For muscle and joint pain, mix 2 tablespoons of balsam resin with 8 tablespoons of organic olive oil. Massage into sore areas twice daily. For open wounds, mix 1 tablespoon of resin with 3 tablespoons of almond or grapeseed oil. Apply to wound for speed healing. As a food additive, the dry inner bark can be ground and added to the soups or bread with a thicker, often mixed with the grains and the flour. Right now, I'm going to give you dosage guidelines. You can, of course, buy this kind of natural remedies in many forms in the food healthy store, from the capsules, tinctures, tea, or whatever. And this is unbelievably important and easy to buy. There is no official dosing standards, but here's general recommendation. Start with the low doses to assess tolerance. Use 1/2 cup of decoction or 5 to 10 drops of tincture 1 to 2 times daily. For topical use, always dilute the resin in carrier oil. Tinctures and the balms are also available in herbal stores. Anyways, follow the instruction of product label or consult qualified herbalist. And this is of course important. You will learn. For everyone who can have access to balsamic fir in your, garden, maybe in your forest, you can make it your own teas, decoctions or whatever, but everyone else, you will buy this kind of balsamic fir in the food healthy store. Everything is going to be described from daily dosage in those labels that you have. But for the end of the show, I'm going to give you side effects and precautions. While balsamic fir is generally safe, especially in traditional doses, certain precautions apply. Possible side effects: skin irritation when applied undiluted, redness, itching, or rashes in sensitive individuals, rare allergic reactions such as swelling, dizziness, or breathing difficulty, inhalation warning. Volatile oils in the balsamic fir may irritate the lungs in sensitive people if inhaled excessively. Safety tips: perform a patch test before applying resin-based product on your skin. If pregnant, breastfeeding, or on a medication, consult your doctor before use. Avoid high doses of prolonged use with supervision. Keep all products away from children and the pets. Balsamic fir is more than beautiful forest tree. It's a powerful ally in natural healing. From respiratory issues to pain relief, to skin repair and immunity support, it offers a wide range of benefits that have stood test of time. Nature has always provided answers. Sometimes we just need to return to the forest, to the wisdom of the tree, like balsamic fir. I study natural remedies for over 20 years. This is one of the many plants I studied. This is perfect plant. Try use it. If you have any kind of information about balsamic fir that I didn't said it in today's video, please comment below my video. If you like, subscribe to my channel. Everything, of course, is the free. Comment, like, share this video. This is going to be perfect. Thank you for following, my dear viewers. God bless you. God bless your family. See you in the next video. Bye bye. For the last 25 years, I've been working with the patients all around the world. My personal specialty is going to be natural remedies, nutrition, physical therapy and rehabilitation. And if you want to get better, and if you want to cure your diseases, call Mario Lab Center in Zagreb, Croatia on phone number +385 9891 79200, and you have two options how I can help you. You can come to my office, you can arrange the meeting, that is going to be great. Also, if you cannot come to my office, that is totally fine. We, over the last 20 years, we do it phone consultations with the patients all around the world. You can call us, book the meeting in our office, or of course phone consultations, and everything is going to be perfect. And I will be making perfect special natural remedies program with best natural remedies just for you. I'm also author of 3 books about nutrition and natural remedies. My 3 books is called Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity. This is first book, and second and third book is going to call Miraculous Natural Remedies Part 1 and Miraculous Natural Remedies Part 2. All of these books are available to right now on my website mariolab.hr. Everything is in the description below. We send all our books to all over the world, and I believe my books about nutrition and natural remedies can help you a lot. Thank you, my dear viewers. See you in the next video. Bye bye.